Writing a prompt like "a man walking" isn't going to cut it anymore. Veo 4 accepts advanced cinematic directing language. Today, I am leaking the exact prompting framework that forces Veo 4 to act like a Hollywood director, giving you perfect camera tracking and continuous lighting. If you are still relying on basic text prompts, your AI videos will look disjointed, shaky, and completely amateur. The secret to making a literal movie with Google's new Veo engine lies in speaking the language of a cinematographer, not just a software user. You have to direct the camera, control the lighting, and stage the scene like a real Hollywood director. In this masterclass, we are breaking down the exact workflow to lock down consistent character faces across different video generations. We will also explore how to script realistic camera physics, like pans, tilts, and complex drone tracking shots directly into your text. If you want to stop generating random clips and start creating a seamless cinematic story, this is how you master the engine. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about camera movement. When you just type "a car driving fast," the engine has to guess what the camera should do, which usually results in an amateur shaky shot. Instead, you need to use the camera subject axis framework. This simple technique forces the AI to lock the camera's physical movement in perfect relation to your subject. Instead of a basic prompt, look at this master prompt formula. Low-angle drone tracking shot, maintaining a 3-meter distance behind a sleek black sports car speeding down a neon-lit cyberpunk highway. 35mm anamorphic lens, motion blur, smooth 60 FPS crane physics. By explicitly stating the camera type like a drone tracking shot and specifying the lens and distance, you force the AI to simulate a real physical camera rig. This gives you that buttery, smooth, intentional movement instead of random AI jitter. The biggest movie killer in AI filmmaking is the character drift when your main actor looks like a completely different person in the next scene. While Veo 4 lets you use reference images, your text prompts still need to act as an anchor. To fix this, you need to define a character blueprint and a lighting anchor in every single prompt for that scene. Never just say, "the man looks up." Say, "close-up shot of a 30-year-old rugged astronaut, sharp jawline, stubble, intense hazel eyes, high contrast chiaroscuro lighting, harsh golden sunlight striking the left side of his face, deep shadows on the right." By locking in the specific lighting style and face anchors across multiple generations, Veo 4 maintains the environment and facial structure, giving you a seamless cut between shots. Here's the ultimate secret. Audio cues. Veo natively generates high-fidelity audio alongside video. If you add keywords like low-frequency cinematic bass rumble at the end of your prompt, the AI will literally sync the visual pacing to the audio. Stop prompting like an amateur and start directing like a pro. Comment masterclass below for my free cinematic Veo 4 prompt templates. Subscribe for more AI filmmaking tutorials. See you in the next one.